Chief Minister Nongthom Bambirin launches Imphal to Dimapur and Guwahati Alliance air flight service under RCS Uran scheme today. And Forest and Environment Minister Thanawjam Shyamkumar inaugurates newly built Sangai enclosure at Manipur Zoological Garden in Hiroshima. Hello, welcome to Back News. You're watching Afternoon News and I'm Premi Thangtam, bringing you the top stories. Chief Minister Nongthom Bambirin launched Alliance air flight service from Imphal to Dimapur and Guwahati under RCS Uran scheme today. Speaking at the event held at Imphal Tulihal Airport, Chief Minister Biren asserted that the flight service will strengthen ties between Manipur and Nagaland states. Meanwhile, private media persons have expressed disappointment with the Transport Department who has organized the launching event. Speaking at the event held at Imphal Tulihal Airport today, Biren expressed happiness over the Imphal to Dimapur flight service made possible under the RCS Uran scheme. It disclosed that Chief Executive Officer of the Indian Airlines has assured to make available daily flight service within a couple of months. Journalists from private media firms who came to cover the news expressed disappointment upon being informed that only journalists of DDK, All India Radio and the IPR department will be allowed to take part in the flight flagging off ceremony after collection of necessary documents by the Transport Department through the IPR department. Later, Chief Minister Nongthom Bambirin gave a green signal to the journalists from private electronic media firms to join in the ceremony. However, none of the journalists from private media firms could attend the launching event.
From today onward, we're going to have it. For this, I would like to thank the Alliance Airways for your contribution, for your effort. And I hope, now this is only thrice a week, and I hope Mr. C.S. Shubaya, Chief Executive Officer, assure me he committed to start Delhi flight within these 2-3 months. Sorry. And I also expecting that what the Alliance here said they do. This scheme is under the Uran schemes, which was launched, which started by under the supervision and the guidance of the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. I hope more flight in the days to come will be provided to the people of the state. Thank you.
Forest and Environment Minister Thanawjam Shyamkumar opened a newly built Sangai enclosure to facilitate public and tourists coming to witness the endangered Sangai deer at Manipur Zoological Garden in Hiroshima today. A pair of the endangered species is kept within the enclosure. Principal Chief Conservator of Forest and Head of Forest Task Force, Kerul Hovi Angami, Principal Chief Conservator of Forest PCCF, Wildlife DJN Anand and staffs of the Forest Department took part in the event. Speaking on the occasion, Minister T.H. Shyamkumar said that the state government along with the Forest Department opened the Sangai enclosure sponsored by the Sangai Express to exhibit the endemic Sangai deer which is found only at Kaibul, Lamjao. The minister appreciated the Sangai Express for the initiatives. He appealed to the public to care and protect wildlife.
Manipur Government Forest Department amadi Director Zoo amadi Masina Officer mayamna sinduna department sina ngasi Sangai enclosure se khoina inaugurate tawre pamde thamme Sangai si khoina sida anytime ngasi da gidi prajam yamna yengba yargani aduna ai mayamda koi appeal tawjari aduna mayamna appeal tawi madudi lamdaki sau singbu nungsiba madagi feeling adu phabuyo malema sida makhoi yauna khoi miyu khang hingba yade haibado ai policy pizari.
Horticulture and Soil Conservation Minister Thanawjam Shyamkumar has lamented that persistent use of chemical fertilizers has increased the risk of cancer in the state. He was speaking at the launching of poster hoarding, street corner meeting and publicity campaign on organic products for valley districts of the state at Kurai, Lining Thoputhi Sanglen today. Laum Isin Miapun Balub, Lausal will carry out the campaign sponsored under Sponsored under MoMA's Consumer Awareness Scheme, Minister T.H. Shyamkumar urged people to start organic farming to ensure healthy, safe and security.
Portion campaign afaba purapa wirasno aduga leiba mayang lomi gi loksan gi pen daba Manipur gi media gi thang da Manipur gi praja myam da appeal tawjari madudi kay horticulture department da lagbi scheme khudima tawya khudima si objective agano net YouTube ta loina ayam ko upload tawbani ko gi WhatsApp to sudum thadok poni khaba da hapani matam chan lakbi madai department na hari mayam do lomi singi akoina tawjiba thabuk mayam da pen daba leiragadi department na misuse tawba pen daba leiragadi madu direct lakpiu adan akogi laktana swai haidana department ki minister da blame tawri tawbirakan adu mahai ore adu masia thawre adu matawre and have that through department sila aga dum kono yada khabar hapona media da minister una basa si una halaktre minister har basi scheme si taroktre si tawtre khabar da hapo adum khabar da government si kamai paper si mit nako.
National Liberation Front of Tripura NLFT has strongly condemned the centre's effort to pass a citizenship amendment bill in the ongoing winter session of the parliament. NLFT in a press release stated that the group has been trying to regain Borok people's right in Tripura. It also appealed to other countries to oppose the Indian government's efforts to pass a cap. Manipur Upliftment Center and Women's Studies Center, Manipur University jointly organized a national seminar on increasing crime against women under the saggy information security policy or law and impact of social media in the context of Manipur, sponsored by National Commission for Women, Government of India today. Head of Manipur University's Linguistic Department, Professor N. Pramodini, Senior Journalist Yambem Laba, Social Worker Ranjita Elangbam, professors and students of Manipur University, intellectuals, Mayra Paibis and many eminent people attended the event held at the Seminar Hall of Linguistic Department, Manipur University. Speaking on the occasion, Vice President of Manipur Upliftment Center, Angomcha Chinkai, said that the seminar aimed to analyze the condition of women against crime and the roles of social media in combating such crimes.
Lamdam sida thok leba crime against women hairiba sing sida information technology adagi social media lo wi aba thokdang sing aduga khoi gi system sida soiriba loophole sing tang da khana ne ba seminar sa khoi pangthok sabani akoina tongan ba cyber crime gi adagi khoi gi social media da leiba amade tongan ba social workers sing akoina tanarga makoina thengnarak pa experiencing hauzik cyber crime ga mari leinana thabuk cyber crime thabuk tawiri ba isina naw sing da moina thengnari ba makoi da leiriba loophole sing hairiba sing si punna akoina khana neina rakanda marudagi hen afaba hen nupi sing the safe oiba zero tolerance oiba adugumba kenom khak khoina propang ngamgadra haibagi wakhalon da khoina singsi seminars in sinjabani.
Center for Rural Empowerment and Development CREDO kicked off two-day workshop on intervention to improve the mental health of widows of injecting drug users in Manipur as a strategy for HIV prevention at Lamyan Basanglen today. Chairman of Manitco and Manitron Limited, Hyanglam MLA Dr. Radheshyam Yumnam and Kairao MLA L. Rameshwar attended a workshop sponsored by National Commission for Women, Government of India. Joint Director of Manipur State AIDS Control Society, Dr. Abhiram Mongjam, spoke on the topic. Trends of female drug uses in Manipur. Secretary of Nirvana Foundation, Subhana Sorokaibin, stressed on substance abuse among female injecting drug users and suggestive measures, and epidemiologist of the Medical Directorate, Dr. Ashima Haubijam, spoke on mental health and widows injecting drug users on the first day of the workshop.
Thamoi sengna congratulate bijali yamna thamoi sengna thawai yamna honabiu akhangma mayam adu leikai da leiba marum mapang sing leikai gi maibel sing isa su sida pau du santok pidan mo su gyan taba adugumba atmosphere film ba purakpada workshop sina soidana chob mateng pangani se aina thaja jai aduna asugumba exercises sum workshop sina se toina tawraga hairiba yamna depthly oiba case go bolaina madu tholiba ICB go make se koi malem sidagi mutbo oiga sunu.
On that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you an exclusive report on a youth from Manipur who has successfully built a humanoid robot. We'll be right back watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Afternoon News. Joining the world in the competition for building humanoid robots, a youth from Manipur has successfully built a humanoid robot. Impact News reporter Bhagda Tarambam and camera person Bisojit Namai Rakpa bring you an exclusive report.
Manipur, it's 65 and sunny. Today, it will be mostly sunny, with a forecasted high of 75 and a low of 49.
Who am I?
Your name is Roshan.
Irom Roshan Meite, popularly known as Chauba, is an enthusiast of robots and science fiction movies since his childhood days. He has successfully built a humanoid robot named as Important Voice Authentication Live Assistance, Ivala, which can recognize human face and voice. The robot, attached with a mechanism wheel powered by 12-volt battery power supply, can move in every direction. It is also attached with a teaser gun and a hand to hold things. Two inbuilt cameras enable Ivala to recognize faces, and a special Google Voice application enable it to communicate with humans. Irom Roshan said that if Manipuri language is installed in the application, then the robot will be able to communicate even in Manipuri language.
Face detection adaidi migi adaidi akoi object identify tawba mi amna wa ko matamda haidi voice se akoina yamna langba mafam do regazu haidi mi amana haidei ba mai maming correct taragadi haidei ba waje mangondani khangdo haidi arang mafam da leregazu chaka ji ki haidi feature kano haidi taragadi akoina space kan davida akoina mamai leiba khotpa samna bada assistant oina haidi aingona pot ama lokthok loksin adai pithok pisin mangonda danger ama haidi keno mon dangdore hai taragadi magi khulai ama hapiba mangonda yam ka hena aduduna kanabradi kanabasu nataba haidi mapangan son manina haidi yawriba motor no adu mem adu kegum masina achobo oi taragadi ngamakadoiba haidi mapangan no kalakadoiba aina pamjeriba idea adudi adudune haidi mana si makhud ama lejare sumna kana weapon yawjare masagi aduda mangonda haidi kegum khudung thibam dangado le taragadi adu bai masai ngakthok janaba adu defense oina
Irom Roshan is the son of carpenter Irom Tomba Meite and Irom Ongbi Rekha from Sagolban, Moirang Hanuba Mayai Leirak in Patsoi constituency of Imphal West. Roshan has inborn creative skills and has shown keen interest in his father's profession. Studious Roshan secured first division in the class 10 examination conducted by BOSEM, but discontinued his studies after completing his 5th semester of graduation owing to certain inconveniences. Roshan developed a keen interest in robotic science and researched on the subject on the internet. He took a firm decision to create a robot which can communicate and assist human beings and strive towards his goal. Roshan's parents faced various inconveniences in the process, but their hard works finally paid off when their son successfully built a humanoid robot. They expressed extreme happiness and pride for their son's achievement.
Nang wana sumai honaraga nang kesi lo sabji kari kino hana bai baba ni am sawa adubu mana hai hanjal hai ima ai sigin line ji ai nan dawri ba sabji jiga ai no pami jiga I on bani na I ji pam dre na dum hai re ma je khara mangonda laiki kano je khara interest khara leiraktabagi mawong ma khara tawre pojai chab khotpagi maramda ma je khara aduda oina interest oina laeba ma khangde kari haiga to no ai haibam khangde adu mana si tawrakbada akoida nungai bam de sum phawe mapana thabak phana wana chaluraga halaga chu masana semuga poche ubada nudang da khoi imaja pochallaga bodo yenga nueba phana waro chu.
If Irom Roshan's Ivala robot, which is capable of free movement with the ability to pick up and open things with the help of a mobile phone, is further enhanced, it will be of great benefit to humankind, especially to the security forces. Irom Roshan is giving a final touch to his Ivala robot for a public display in February of 2020. He aspires to build a passenger flying machine after completing his Ivala project. Roshan believes that supports will eventually follow if one works with dedication and passion.
aina ke gumba poche pam na tawgiba natraga nga tangi interest ki oina haidi mi na tawna uraga tꯧgiba thabak haiba ma ani subani na ko haidi aina pamna taugiba tadi am leitrasu dum tawni ba aina ngatangi interest tu gi oina haidi mi na tawni na ta tawsan ba adui tadi akoina cd tawdrasu yai da mathang ama tawga loide khantorakani ba hoi fana pai dasu dum noi adum nuai
If one has will and courage to overcome odds, success will happen. This is true for Irom Roshan, who has successfully built a humanoid robot who can recognize visual and face. If right platform is given to young minds like Irom Roshan, our state can do wonders in the field of science and technology. This is Bhakta Tarambam reporting for Impact News, Imphal.
As the part of the security measures taken by District Police, Bishnupur cordon and search operations were carried out at Kongkam Makalaikai, Ward number 8 area from 5 a.m. till 6:30 a.m. today. The police team, including women personnel, carried out the operation under the command of Bishnupur District Police Additional SP operation. Altogether, 340 individuals, including 140 women, were verified during the drive. The team picked up 2 bail-out of prescribed YKL and handed them over to Nambo police station for further verification. State Association of Handicraft Technologists Manipur held its first Foundation Day celebration at Manipur Press Club today. Association President Kate Sudbala, ex-Deputy Director of Manipur Development Society S. Inaubi, Board of Director of Manipur Apex Handloom Weavers and Handicrafts Artisans CS Private Limited, S. Bubol, and many eminent persons spoke on handloom and handicrafts at the event. Central and Urban Forest Division Manipur Forest Department conducted a cleanliness drive at Nupilal Complex today ahead of Nupilal Memorial event on December 12. Chief Conservator of the Forest T.H. Mohendra Pratap and Central DFO R.K. Amarchit led a team of 60 police personnel and staff of the Forest Department. And now some national news. Polling for the second phase of Jharkhand Assembly elections is underway peacefully in 20 constituencies spread over 7 districts. Nearly 29% electorates have exercised their franchise till 11 a.m. Polling will end at 3 p.m. in 18 assembly constituencies except for 2 assembly seats of Jamshedpur East and West, where people can exercise their right till 5 p.m. Elaborate security arrangements have been put in place for smooth conduct of polls. More than 42,000 security personnel, including central forces, have been deployed to ensure free, fair and peaceful polling. Prominent candidates in this phase include Chief Minister Raghubar Das, Assembly Speaker Dinesh Oran, Rural Development Minister Nilkant Singh Munda, Water Resources Minister Ramchandra Sahiz and BJP State Unit President Lakshman Gilua. The fate of AJSU candidate Pradeep Kumar Balmachu, JDU State President Salkhan Murmu and Bandu. And now the sports news. 13th Hero I-League match between Minerva Punjab and East Bengal is underway at Guru Nanak Stadium in Ludhiana since this afternoon. In yesterday's league match played at Goa's Tilak Maidan, Kerala Gokulam beat Indian Arrows 1-0. Henry Kiseka scored a lone winning goal at 49 minutes. Kerala Gokulam with 6 points is at the top of the table's tally. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nong Thomban Biren launches Imphal to Dimapur and Guwahati Alliance air flight service under RCS Uran scheme today. And Forest and Environment Minister Tanaj Shyam Kumar inaugurates newly built Sangai enclosure at Manipur Zoological Garden in Hiroshima.